Hi everyone, so this easy homemade blue cheese dressing that I'm gonna show you today is better than anything you can buy at the store. It's extremely healthy because of its incredible blue cheese health benefits, and its delicious creamy taste makes it perfect for tossing with a salad or used as a dipping sauce. It's super easy to make it, and not only it is much cheaper than buying from the store, but you can also choose which great type of blue cheese to use. So whether you're making a plate of buffalo chicken wings, a green salad, or a topping for grilled steak, this blue cheese dressing is absolute winner in my recipe book. As you can see here, there are only 5 ingredients that go into it. The first step would be to gather all these ingredients and combine them all together. So here I'll start with 1/4 cup of blue cheese, 1/3 cup of homemade mayonnaise, 2 tablespoons of cream cheese, and 2 tablespoons of heavy whipped cream. I'm gonna mix it for a couple of seconds. And then add 1 teaspoon of lemon juice. Keep mixing until everything is fully incorporated. You can also use a small food processor or an electric blender to speed up the process, but keep in mind that it will not have the same texture as doing it by hand. I really hope you enjoy my recipe for the blue cheese dressing, and if you're looking for more delicious keto recipes, be sure to subscribe to my channel, hit the like button, and stay tuned for future recipes. Bye!